Don't mind me, just back out in the Everglades and it is pouring like crazy. In other words, I probably shouldn't be out here with this giant alligator staring at me. Even the frogs don't want to come out right now. It is raining really freaking hard. And goddamn. Oh, here's a southern toad. These guys normally prefer it a little drier, though he's still out for some reason. Finally, the rain calmed down and I was able to settle around this big alligator chilling in the grass. Right now it is only drizzling and it's pretty nice and refreshing for me. With rain comes more frogs, and look at this giant pig frog right here. What an absolute beauty. We also got this beautiful green tree frog right here, enjoying the nice humidity. Oh, and hello, Mr. Legless Lizard, who's actually a lizard and not a snake. Now I need to get going, because the rain is starting to pick up and it's going to hit me hard.